In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Excel, an essential skill that can help make your spreadsheets more navigable, presentable, and protect certain data from being immediately visible. Let's begin by accessing the free Microsoft 365 online suite, which includes Excel among other productivity tools. If you haven't already experimented with Microsoft 365, you're in for a treat. It's a cloud-based solution that allows you to create, edit, and share Microsoft Office documents from any device, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. To get started, navigate to the Microsoft 365 online webpage. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. You'll see the sign in button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your email address. Ensure you input the email associated with your Microsoft account to avoid any sign-in complications. After you've entered your email, click on Next to proceed. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be using a sample Excel file. This example will guide you through the process of hiding columns in a real-life context, making it easier to understand and replicate on your end. Once your Excel workbook is open, either in your recent documents or by navigating through your OneDrive folders, you're ready to start. In our example, we will be focusing on hiding a specific column. Imagine you have a spreadsheet filled with sensitive data or simply information that doesn't need to be displayed at all times. This is where hiding columns becomes incredibly useful. First, locate the column you wish to hide. In our case, let's say we want to hide column D. To do this, move your cursor to the column header, the letter representing the column, in this case D, and give it a click to highlight the entire column. Once highlighted, you're going to right-click on the column header. This action opens a context menu brimming with options. From the menu, you'll look for the option that says Hide. Clicking on Hide will immediately make the entire column disappear from view. It's as if column D has magically vanished, leaving columns C and E now adjacent to each other. But don't worry, while the column is out of sight, it's not deleted. All the data within the hidden column remains intact and is still there, safely stored in your spreadsheet. You might be wondering, how do I get my hidden column back? No worries, simply select the columns on either side of the hidden one. In our example, columns C and E. Right-click on the highlighted area, and this time, look for the unhide option in the menu. Clicking unhide will bring your hidden column back into view, with all its data untouched and exactly where you left it. And there you have it. You now know how to hide and unhide columns in Excel using Microsoft 365 online. This skill is not only useful for making your spreadsheets look cleaner, but also for protecting sensitive information that shouldn't be immediately visible to anyone who has access to the document. Remember, the principles we covered today apply to any column or columns in your Excel spreadsheet. Practice with different columns to get comfortable with the process. The ability to quickly hide and unhide columns can help manage your data more effectively, giving you greater control over how information is displayed and accessed in your documents. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask. Happy spreadsheeting, and see you in the next tutorial.